Kia ora guys, so what we're going to be looking at today is what is a habitat and also who has a habitat. So I want to pose you a question. Are you alive? I'm hoping majority of us have said yes. We can define being alive because we can breathe, eat, sleep and drink, amongst many other things. Humans, plants and animals are all living things. And all living things need air, water, sun, shelter and food. Living things only survive if they get the things that they need from their environment. So I want you to have a think about your habitat. Your habitat will be where you live, and your environment is what is around you. There are 6 kinds of habitats. One is polar, deserts, forests, freshwater habitats, ocean habitats, and also rainforest habitats. Plants and animals live in these habitats and they adapt to their environment. And this is in order to survive. For example, polar bears have a thick layer of blubber that helps keep them warm in their very cold environments. Penguins also have this thick layer of blubber and dense feathers to keep them warm. So now we have done all that learning, it is activity time. So what I want you to do is find a piece of paper or a book that you can write on. If you don't have either of those things, just anything you can write on is fine. And I want you to answer 1. What is my habitat? 2. What is my environment? 3. Draw a picture of them together. And then I want you to upload a picture for your teacher to see.